Right then, Thursday the 20th of February 2014. Momentous occasion, the first time the Land Rover is being reversed and moved out of the garage. Come on Jack, stand back a little bit while Daddy moves it. Ready? Whoa, look at that! Here we go! Step back Jack! Here we go! Look at that! First time in 11 years I think. It's like manoeuvre with the windscreen. There we go. Wow, look at that. Well done Daddy. Jack, careful please. Wow. That's amazing. Goes forwards as well. Wicked. Good on you.
You take it down the road. Brakes are a bit springy.
There he goes. First trip down the road. He's worked really hard on this. It's a very brilliant achievement. Not sure about that massive puddle there though, but there we go. Down to the bottom. Turn it round. Here he comes back, Jack. Come and see. You gonna wave? Come on then, step back so we can pull on. Good lad. Well done. Yeah, of course I can. There we go, into the garage. Wow Jack, look at that. Daddy clever. That's it. Wow. Come and press the button, Jack.
Don't press the button. That's alright, isn't it? I've got a new one of them coming.
Well done, Daddy. Push you can. Say 3 cheers for Daddy. Hip hip. Hooray!